In today's video, we are going to be reviewing this platform that I discovered just a week ago. Yes, a week ago, I discovered this platform and decided to test it out before I bring it to you. So this morning, I have to create another separate account to actually show you because I've seen a lot of things about this platform and I've seen creators made videos by the platform, but there's actually something that they are not telling you. As you can see on my screen, that is the amount that I make just today, this morning. That was, I opened this account this morning before I went to school, and this is the amount that I made this morning. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you if you can actually withdraw this money or not. Yeah, the truth is you can withdraw your money. Actually, when do research about it, the platform is legit. Yes, the platform is legit. You can even withdraw your money, but there are some downsides that they will not tell you. So I won't be wasting of your time at all. Now we are going to be diving into the video right ahead. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you two ways to make money on this platform. There's actually two ways. And I'm going to also be telling you the fastest way that you can make money if you want to actually be fast about it. Yes. So as this video goes, if you found value in it, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, like this video, and also share the video to as many that you know that this video will be helpful to. So without further ado, let's dive to the video. So this is how the app look like. This app, once you click on the link that I posted, you'll be able to use the link to register. Yes, to get register and download the app. So once you have already registered, it's not hard. It's just your normal registration, your name, and all that. The registration is very simple. I would have done it, but I cannot create on that third account, and it's my second account. If I've known, I would have record it when I was downloading, when I was opening this one this morning. So this is how interface look like. As you can see at the top here, this is the amount that I make just this morning, 2017 naira. Come look at it, 2017 naira. Like I said, there are two ways to make money, but it's more than two ways. There are a lot of ways to make money on this platform. Yes, this platform is more than just playing games to make money. You can also join live. They will gift you, and through gifting you can still make money. So first thing first, once you go to this platform, you can just click on. You see this place that is showing coin here. Once with your account, your own will be just only one. And by the time you keep on upgrading, then it will take to three. As time goes on, you will feel all here. So this one is just your own, it's just only one here. So let me just start making money. First thing first, you can just click on it. Once you click on it, the points will be added here. You can see it. Yes, no money yet. To start making money, you click on this place. You see this place showing dice. Yes, the first way to make money is through dice. So you click on this dice. For this first method of making money from this platform, you need to reach level 50 to be able to start making money from it. Just as you can see, I'm already in level 27, and within a week I can actually complete it to level 50. Yes, but the second stage does not require you to reach any level. You can withdraw your money instantly. When you click on this dice, it will take you to this page. Yes, this is where it will take you to. This is where you can play game, and it's not really game share, but it's more of fun. Yeah, have fun. As you are in the life, you can have fun. You can see the other people there. Yeah. So what you just have to do to make money is just to, you see that goal here, that goal over there. You can just click on that goal. If you look at the downside here, you will see where it's showing points. Yes, it's that point that you use to play. Once your point exhausts, you have to wait for some time. I think the normally put time there. Yes, you have to wait for some time for the points to go up again before you can play again, because it's that point that you use to play. So anytime you have points, you just click on that goal. So that goal there, just click on it, and once you click on it, it will be moving around, and as you are moving around, you will be getting, just as you can see, you will be getting money. Yes, your money will be increasing. So that is how to make money through this one. I won't be playing this long because I don't want it to take long. I don't want this video to take long. So let me exist it so that I can show you the second way you can make money. So the second way to make money through this platform is through the diamond. Here, through diamond. So to use diamond, first of all, you click on your amount, that is the amount you already have, or where your amount is showing. Once you click on that place, you see this diamond that is showing at the top of this place. You can see it there, this diamond that is showing at the top here. Click on it. Once you get to this place, once you click on it, then it will take you to this place. Just as you can see here, this is where the diamonds stays. You can see I have 0 diamond here, and at the time you can see get more diamond. If I had more diamond, you will see something like withdraw diamond. So since I don't have any diamond, how can I get more diamond? To get more diamond, I need to do referral. Yes, referral is the way I need to use to get more diamond. Now let me click on this get more diamond just now, so that I will show you how these referrals work. So as you can see here, this is how the referral work. Once you refer someone, you will get 300 naira, which you can withdraw instantly. You can withdraw instantly, and the person that you refer will get 150 naira. Yes, so that means if you use the link that if you use my link right now that I put in the description and in the comment section, you will be able to get 150 naira, which you can withdraw instantly. This 150 naira, you can withdraw it instantly. Yes, so that is it. Once you refer someone, if you scroll to the down, you will see where to copy your referral link. You can also use it to refer people. So referral is one of the easiest way to make money from this platform. So guys, this is just it. So if you have any question, go to the comment section and ask me your question in the comment section, and I'll be ready to give you answer. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, turn on notification bell, and share the video to as many as possible. I'll be seeing you on my next video.